In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add McClellan Summation Index, LazyBear, indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the McClellan Summation Index added to your TradingView chart and ready to use, even if you've never worked with custom indicators before. I'll go step by step, slowly enough that you can follow along in real time. First, open up your TradingView chart and make sure you're on the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar at the top above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that Indicators button. This will open the main Indicators and Strategies window, where you can access built-in tools as well as community scripts. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click directly on that search bar so you can start typing. This is where we're going to look up the McClellan Summation Index created by the author known as LazyBear. Typing it in correctly makes it much easier to find. In the search bar, carefully type McClellan Summation Index LazyBear. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results. Look through the list that appears and find the version that shows the full name of the indicator with LazyBear as the script author. Once you see it, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add the indicator to your chart, usually in a separate pane below the main price chart. Now that the indicator is on your chart, let's quickly check the settings so you can adjust them to your liking. On the left side of the indicator label, you'll see a small settings icon, often shaped like a gear. Click on that icon to open the settings menu. Here you can tweak inputs such as lengths or smoothing values, and you can also customize the style, like line colors and thickness, so it's easy to read against your chart background. If you're just getting started, you can leave the default values in place and focus on how the line moves relative to your price action. You can always come back later and refine these settings as you gain more experience with the indicator. Finally, if you don't already have a TradingView Pro account and you want access to more chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and additional tools, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you'll be able to get the most out of indicators like the McClellan Summation Index and really build out your trading setup.